Well, my phone's data isn't working very well while we walk, so I'll upload these catwalk videos when I get home. I had no service when I got home from work in this neighborhood when I was walking from the car to my condo. But then right as I got to the condo, I got service again. So something weird's going on with the Wi-Fi, with the wireless signals. But anyway, these shorts will all be uploaded once I get back to my condo where there's Wi-Fi.